Hi, this is Michael Summers with Summers Flooring and Design. If you're a realtor, we have an awesome program that's built specifically for you. So you have a customer move in from town. They don't know who to use. They don't have their circle of trust that they have in their area where they're moving from. So we want to be that for you, where it's an automatic referral and we've got everybody you need for your entire project. So if it's something we don't do, we know all the best people. So we'll hook you up, and it's something that where you don't have to babysit your customer. You drop them off here, we're good to go. Also, if you have customers that are not here and they're sight unseen buyers, we have a program called the Visualizer that is perfect for realtors. You go onto our website, summerswoodfloors.com, and click on the Visualizer. You can actually take pictures from your MLS listing and use them as a template and scroll through, and you can see different floors in that house using that photo. The customer doesn't even have to be on site. So it's really kind of amazing. It makes you look really cool and high tech, and it's also just an incredible resource for people that don't have a lot of vision for a property. So if somebody's hung up saying, I like the house, but the floors, you can say, oh, that's an easy one. I got the best the best company around, and they've got the perfect solution for it. Check it out. Here's what a gray floor looks like. Here's what a brown floor looks like. You name it, it's on there. All sorts of great options. So we also have this beautiful showroom here at your disposal. Everything you need interior-wise, we've got it. And we've been doing it for 65 years. So we've got relationships with all the top realtors. We want you to come in here and feel like it's your showroom. So you're very comfortable sending your customers into here. We take it from there. And we can take the whole project from start to finish, and the next thing you know, they're moving in. There's usually a window of time between the closing of the house and when they want to be moved in. We can work with all that to make sure that those timelines work. So we're set up for your success. Like I said, we just want to make you look good and build a great friendship, great relationship in the meantime. We've got a referral program that's awesome. So come check us out, summerswoodfloors.com.